Installing the Lee Deluxe Power Quick Trim. Grip the steel only while screwing the cutter into the power stud. On cases longer than 1 1/4 inch, slide the spacer onto the cutter. Rotate the adjusting ring clockwise when viewed from the cutter end to the stop. This will produce a case that is trimmed to maximum allowable length. If you wish to trim the case shorter than standard, rotate the adjusting ring counterclockwise. You will feel 10 clicks. Each click is approximately 1/1000th of an inch. Install the shell holder in your press. Attach the chip catcher onto the shell holder and slide the resized case into the shell holder. Install the quick trim die into the press according to instructions with the die. Raise the ram to insert a case into the die. Insert hex stud into power screwdriver. Slide the cutter into the installed trim die. Activate the power screwdriver in the tightened direction until you feel or hear it stop cutting. The spacer or adjusting ring will contact the end of the die and no further trimming will occur. Remove and inspect your trimmed and chamfered case. Invert the case to dump the brass chips. Swipe your finger across the shell holder face as you place the next case into the shell holder. Any chips on the shell holder face will cause the case to be trimmed too long.